Today.
So, I brought me this car the 71, 72 BMW. 2002. No, it's not the year, as every swinging dick thinks when I try and sell parts for him. He brought it to me to fix because it needed a bunch of shit, which it ended up needing more than what I anticipated. He anticipated. I anticipated it being a fucking turd. As is custom. Let's rot it off. That's good. So he brought me to put a master cylinder on, which that's this master cylinder, and I pulled it off. Oh, it didn't run, by the way. Of course not. Why would anything come here running? Pulled that off. He brought me a used one, which now, with all them fun little lines in there, you want to see that action. There's some there, there. Well, they're all good except for one that's about chicken fucked, and the fitting just keeps turning, so it needs either a fitting or a master cylinder, which I'm not really looking to make that brake line, but I'm gonna have to. So we drug it up there with the old Chevy tree. Let's take a look at this in my junkyard here. Well, we drug it up the driveway with that old fucking hog.
I don't even know if you can see it.
That's fucking beautiful. Minty as all get out. Fucking open title, no plates. Still drove it. And the old Chevy tree pulled it up right good, because it weighs about 5 pounds, this thing does, because of all the rust that's falling off of it. Well, better shut that or else the body will fall in half. So he drove it up the driveway, and Austin drove back down, and he said the brake pedal went out, so that's all fine and dandy, so I figured brake line just blew. Which it did in the back, of course, so now there's brake fluid pissing all over my garage floor, and now it's pissing all over the front because master cylinder's fucked. So, I gotta pull that back off to see what that's about. But the problem we have today is I went to pull the wheels off to bleed them the other day and didn't get very far because somebody out there wanted to steal E21 rims, which they're not bad looking, but they're not good. They're about chicken fucked. So somebody put these special little nifty gizmos on there to keep fucking people from stealing them. God only knows why. But I called the fella who owns a car and I asked him if he had a lug nut socket for him, because I do not, and I'm not going out and buying one for this turd. Oh, that's fucking good. No wonder it's hard on flat. Oh, that's sassy. So we're going to do the old Ray Charles lug nut fix, which would be about chicken fucked. Don't judge my welding because there's no room to weld in there. So Ray Charles welded this with his feet, and I was able to get the lug nut off. That would fit. Let's weld it. So instead of buying a set of welding gloves, I just use a rag. Oh, quality. Okay, I'm gonna look at Ray Charles welding this. Sassy as ever. Ray Charles himself would be fucking proud right now.
Look at that penetration.
Fucking big penetration.
Oh, it broke.
So the penetration was a little shitty. That caught the rim a little bit. That'll be okay. Yep, definitely just welded the rim. Look at that. Ray Charles himself would be proud of that. Ah, fuck. Usually it's hot. I would step on the brakes and break it loose, but this mobile don't have brakes. We don't need brakes where we're going. I stopped for no one. So I pulled the wheels off, and I noticed earlier this thing sat a little funky. So I just pulled the wheel off, missing a stud, because we don't need that one. And the lug nuts weren't tight. Those don't need to be tight. Three
is for me.
3 is for me. It's like fat chicks. You can't just have one. Just kidding. Fat chicks need love, but they just have to pay for it. So I pulled the wheel off, and we have this fuckery here. And in all honesty, I mean, I've seen a lot of shit in my days, you know, but in the couple of years I've been working as a mechanic and working on a farm, but I don't know what the fuck those are. I mean, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's leaking like a sieve. That's why I pulled the wheel off. So we found brake shoes in the trunk, but I'm kind of contemplating on whether this thing actually has brake shoes in it or not, and somebody took them the fuck out. But if anyone knows what the fuck this is, let me know, because I got nothing. But other than that, it's minty. So let's pull this drum off. And I was right. There is, in fact, no fucking brake shoes. Because that back one's right about fucked. Austin, this is
new levels.
This is some new levels here. I've never seen this before a day in my life.
Is that why it was leaking? Because there's no brake shoes, or was that a whole different issue?
That's why it's leaking. It pushed the wheel cylinder out.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck is this shit? I've never seen that. Honest to God, I've never seen someone take brake shoes out and then expect the thing to work. That's about as... Well, fuck, that's dumber than dog shit. So another reason this fella brought this here mobile to me is, oh, look at that. Good old northern car here. All rotted the fuck. Oops, someone smashed in the floor pan. What's this? Cardboard that somebody uses as a floor pan? Mint! And that's not even the best part. The best part is back here. Look at this sassiness. Floor pans. All sorts of rotted the fuck. Everywhere. Just rot. Oh, leaking brakes. No way. Oh, what do we got here? Oh. So that's that. Got the old M10 with a 4-speed. At least a 4-speed, not an automatic, because they were terrible. Slave cylinder. Oh shit. I actually need to tell him we need a slave cylinder. All rotted the fuck. What the hell's that hose? Hey Austin, when I move this hose, where's that at? What's that saltiness?
It goes to the top of the valve cover.
Oh, cool. That means it's got some sweet blow-by. Man, that means I can put a motor in this. What else do we got here? Oh, the old... Oh, God. This thing is just an abortion. Oh, my goodness. Motor mounts. I know it needs motor mounts pretty bad because they're all fucked up. Oh, dude, that brake line looks fucking salty. What the hell? I don't know where that one goes. So that means it's right about fucked. Holy fuck, someone actually put new calipers on these. Well, at least one. We got one new caliper. That's sassy. Brakes are all fucked. Probably needs every steering link known to man. Oh my... Oh, there's... Oh, look. Oh, Austin.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe this shit.
What?
There's more floor rot.
No way.
No fucking way. No, I mean, other than the fact that the thing's all rotted to fuck and it doesn't stop, I mean, it's a good car. Or something. It's got...
car.
Might have a good transmission. We don't really know because we haven't driven it yet. Now, here explains why the back floor pans are about fucked. Is, look at that. The roof is just gone. You wanna know why? Because BMW didn't... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Because BMW didn't know how to make a sunroof that didn't fucking leak all to get out. Interior, moldy as shit. Headliner, gone. Look at that. This cord, every time I get in this car, pisses me off, hits me in the head. So somebody put tape over top of it, because that'll seal your roof up just dandy. Trunk's a 3 out of 10. Definitely wouldn't fuck again, though. Oh, look at this. They even foamed the fucking... Oh, that'll stiffen the car up. That'll stiffen the chassis up for when you go mad racing in the sick beast.
That cornering.
That cornering, now. Do you hear that? More rust just fell off the car. Other than that, this thing's sassy as all get out. It's a fucking total gem. Total gem. Car, fucking engine runs half-assed. Probably has like no compression left in it. Anyone out there that works on German cars knows what a fun thing they are to work on. This wiring's great. The Germans, I'm pretty honest, that's why the Germans lost both world wars, is because their wiring just sucked fucking dick.
Yeah.
Even the Russians were better at wiring than they were. Like, fuck. That's pretty bad. I knew the MiGs were known to fall out of the sky because they're faulty wiring. The more I look at this car, the better it gets. So here we have something that looks like they hand-brushed black paint on their coffee-colored seats. Which I hate the tan interiors. I fucking hate them. Which my 2002 has a tan interior, and I hate it. But it's going to get gutted because it's going to be a race car. But the coffee interiors were actually really, really nice. And somebody just chicken fucked this seat. But the good news is I do have a black interior for these. So I'm going to try and sell that. That'll be salty. But I just pulled the back seat out, which has a huge gaping hole in it. You could finger bang that. This right here, though, we got a turtle head poking out. Somebody along the way here put speakers in the back, which is the weirdest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life, because I've never seen that on 2002, so that's minty. But here we have this floor pan that's rotted out. Oop, I just made that hole bigger. Oopsies. But this thing's just a little rotty, you know. Let me look around, see what parts I have, what I need to get, and let me get back. I'll get back to you tonight or tomorrow, and we'll figure something out. All right? Yep, no problem. Yep. Bye.